Hey guys, welcome to Nevan's chair extravaganza video. Before the video starts, I have to address a few things in the video. So number one, this video was recorded 4 weeks ago, or about a month ago. And so basically, the audio quality is worse. So this is a new mic setup I'm testing right now in this intro. And also the video quality is worse because I was using my cell phone still. So you guys are now on a GoPro. So I just want to address that real quick. And number two, this was supposed to be a two-part situation, but the issues with making it two parts is that I recorded the first part 3 times now, and all 3 times I fucked up the audio. So now we're gonna do a quick 3-minute rundown of the first part. So the part that you guys are currently watching was supposed to be the second part where I get the new chair and I unbox it, test it, do a first impressions, and then the first part was supposed to be me talking about my old chair. Turns out, like I said, the audio got fucked up, so we're just gonna talk about the old chair real quick, right fast, and then you guys can get right to that video. So this is old chair. Say hello. This is a Respawn gaming chair. My parents got it from Costco, they got it from Sam's Club for Christmas for me, and it was a pretty exciting present. But I have a few gripes with it. So number one, it's made out of this cheap junk leather that's not very good. Number two, there's like a footrest down here. You can kind of see it right there. That footrest is weak and unstable and terrible, and it honestly, even if it was like premium high quality, that footrest is just in a bad spot. It'll never feel good. Oh, and if you're wondering who this is Skella Jerry. His buddy over there, Skella Jones, is hanging on the wall. Just don't mind him. He's just demonstrating how the seat works. Basically, this thing came with a headrest originally. It was very uncomfortable. It was like too big, and then I removed some foam, and it was too small, and it wasn't very good. It was in a bad spot, so I just removed it all together pretty much week 2 after having the chair. It also has lumbar support. I removed it. Wasn't very good. It got like really flat really quick. Just not a good situation. The seat itself is very uncomfortable, so I had to buy this little cushion situation to make the seat just bearable and usable. So that's why that's there. If without it, it makes my butt numb almost immediately after sitting on it. It's just the most uncomfortable feeling in the world. It did come with armrests. They were like very thin leatherette kind of thing. Not very good, not very exciting. It does recline all the way back, PewDiePie style, which is good. But other than that, it's not a very good chair. The one good thing about this chair, though, is the casters. I've moved the casters over to this chair, which is more comfortable, as demonstrated by my cat. See, she seems to be enjoying it. So, the casters were at least good. They didn't like tear up my floor, and they weren't bad at all. I had them running on this hardwood floor over here, and everything's good. This is not hardwood. This is vinyl. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, right now the chair is in a modified state because I modified it to use for sim racing, as you can see. I took the casters off. I put some non-slip pads on them, and I took the arms off because a real car does not have office chair arms. And then I deleted the lumbar support because it wasn't doing much anyways. So that's why it's like this right now. Basically, this chair, it's like $200. Don't buy it. Not a good chair. I highly don't recommend it. Very uncomfortable. Hard to sit on. I will give it this. It does look cool. But yeah, this is a Respawn gaming chair. Please don't buy these. That's the thesis of that video. And that's it. So now you're going to go see past Nevan, and he's going to talk about this new chair. So enjoy that video. New stuff coming soon, as always. Ba 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 ba. See you later. Gamers, come on. Come on, come all, gamers. Come on, come all, to Nevan's chair unboxing. I have a hatred for my chair. Hate it. And so I went to go buy a new chair. This chair in this box. I went to the Staples store. And I sat on plenty of chairs. And this was the one I liked. Now, Nevan, you must ask. This is clearly a lazy boy Joel chair. What the fuck? You said you're gonna go get a Staples hiking chair. Well, I apologize for all of the wrongdoings I've ever done. But I sat in both the hiking and this chair was way comfier for like $10 more. So I bought this chair instead. So this chair has a couple differences from the old Walmart special. One, it's not a gaming chair. It's an office chair for professionals because I'm a professional. And it's got a mesh back, which is hype. No more sweaty back. I honestly don't suffer from that problem anyways. But if I did, no more. It's got a, what do you call it? Cushion bottom. It's got a cushion bottom and a cushioned headrest, which both are pretty pimp. Here's the headrest. Here, let's just start pulling stuff out, dude. That's the cushion headrest. My little noodle arms are a little too weak to grab that piece just yet. Here's the cushion booty. You know what? What am I doing? Let me set all this stuff out first before we continue. I'll be right back. Okay. So I've unboxed everything. I'm sure you saw a little montage or maybe something. I don't know what I did. I'm not really a good editor, but I'll try something. Anyways, this is the Lazy Boy Joel. You can tell it's a Lazy Boy Joel because it says on this tag, see that? Lazy Boy Joel. And as I'm the laziest boy that I know, it's honestly perfect. So yeah, here's all the pieces. We got the mesh back. We got the big fat booty. This is cool. The cushioned headrest is going to be legit. And I can already tell you right now that the quality of this stuff is like infinitely higher quality than the Walmart chair. And this was $200. This was 200 bones. The Walmart chair was also 200 bones. And the plastics on this are just like immediately more premium. It's just like, it's like buying a fucking wish.com chair versus an ebay.com chair. Like that's a bad comparison, but you guys understand what wish.com is. That's what the other chair felt like. Also, I wanted to show you guys this beautiful little fucking package. Like what is this? Look how high quality Lazy Boy premium package tools. Oh, so nice, so beautiful. I just want to give them a kiss. We got the little T wrench in there and some other stuff, and that's a tool I could use. I could use that tool regular. And they got some Loctite on them bolts. So when we put this bad boy together, she ain't falling apart. She ain't falling apart for nothing. For nothing. Let's put this bad boy together. Let me pull this camera back. And then we'll put this bad boy together. How's that sound? All right, let's do that. Alright, my chair-based friends. The chair has been assembled. I hope you enjoyed the time-lapse. I hope it came out well. When I was building the chair, I was envisioning that circus song playing that people play when they burn people on Twitter. So I might try to get that song because I think that would be hilarious. Other than that, man, the build was pretty easy. There's nothing crazy you gotta do. So let's just breeze through some of these features that we've been hearing so much about this chair. We have adjustable lumbar support. Check that bad boy out. Goes up and down. If I could grab it, there it is, down and then up again. But it does that with the headrest. Goes up, down. That was down. I put it down. Now it goes up. Oh crap! I'm whacking my microphone. But you get the point. Armrests. Look at this. Funny. Up, down. and it does the usual. It goes back and then it goes forward and then it goes up and it goes down. So it's a chair. It's it's an office chair. Um, so let me sit in it. Let me sit in it and then continue my first impressions. All right, we're seated. So number one, it feels nice. I might raise these up a little bit. That's a little too high. Oh fuck, I'm whacking everything. I'm whacking everything. Something like that. That's pretty good. Yeah, it feels good. My mic is fucked up, but don't worry about that. It's nice. The seat very firm. It's firm, but like cushioning, and my bony butt doesn't feel as bony. I need to move the lumbar support up. Actually, it's a little bit in the way. Don't really know what a lumbar is, but everyone always talks about supporting it. Also, I'm sweating like a hog, and there's a bleach stain on this shirt, but I'm sweating like a hog, so I apologize for that. The only thing I don't really like is the back height. I like to sit pretty erect at my desk, and this is pretty unerect. Hold on, maybe if I. That's the seating. This is full back. That's pretty lazy. That's a pretty lazy full back. Uh, I do like to sit a little bit more erect if possible. So I wonder if that's like a setting I'm missing, an erection setting. Hold on, let me see. Oh, this is we're going back. All right, this is as far back as it goes. This is this is comfortable. This far all the way back here. This is comfortable. This is nice. I could go to sleep on that. That's good. The back is nice. The mesh back is really nice. It feels like my back is on air. I feel like back pain is alleviating itself as I speak. Like my back is like, thank God you bought a new chair. This is fantastic. I feel like I'm in heaven. This is great. Now this is as far forward as it goes. I think I'm gonna develop some lazy gamer posture in this chair. Let's check the height adjustability. Hold on one moment. Boys, I thought I was at the highest limit. I didn't realize I was at the lowest. That was the lowest setting. Oh, oh yes, dude. This height is great. I can actually get like a 90-degree angle on my knees. That's a rare occurrence with chairs. This is definitely higher than the Walmart chair. I'm looking at it right there. It's off camera. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This this is a gamer's chair. Oh my gosh. Articulating adjustable headrest. That's correct. It goes up and down, and it kind of like the headrest like scoops when you move it up. It like scoops up. Height adjustable armrest. We definitely checked that out. Ergonomic 3-position synchro tilt mechanism. What the fuck does that mean? There's a little bit of play when it's locked. This is the locking play. I kind of like this. I have ADHD, so being able to bob in my chair is pretty nice. I bob my leg and weave my mouse when I'm playing FPS games, and it bothers everyone who spectates me, and it probably makes me lose more Valorant games than I care to admit. So maybe if I just bob like this instead, I'll probably still get less headshots, but I'll at least be ergonomic about it. The armrests are like a rubbery, hard material, and I would say that I prefer this over like the padded fake leather on the respawn chair, because the padded fake leather, if you like rest your elbow on it enough, your elbow just kind of dive bombs through all the padding and just hits the plastic. This is just a rubberized, like it's firm. It's a firm, uh, like rubbery kind of like floor mat substance. Like if you went to like the Cintas store and asked for the biggest, thickest floor mat, this is what they'd give you. And it's nice. It's nice enough that I don't feel like my arms are on like concrete, but I feel like my arms are supported. I do wish it sat more erect. That's my biggest flaw right now, is the erection amount. The height adjustability is nice. I wish they tilted like outwards like this, but they don't, so we don't get that feature. They also don't do forward or back, but I think they're long enough to be fine. I don't need my arms all the way back here. So we're good. As far as desk work goes, this is fine. It hits the elbows. That's all you need really. The casters are like the same casters that are on the Respawn chair. They're like almost identical. So I think that new office casters are just better than I thought they were. So I was going to buy some rollerblade casters for this chair, but I don't think I need to now. It rolls pretty nice. And this is on carpet or a rug. This is on a rug. It rolls pretty good on this. And the wheels are thick enough to where I don't think it's gonna cut headphone wires or anything like that. So that's the big problem with old or like with cheapo office chairs, casters, is that like the wheels are so thin that they'll like just actually slice through your headphone wire, which is just fucked up. So this is not gonna do that, and this is not gonna scratch the floor. It's like rubberized. It's nice. So, and then the base is really sturdy plastic, and it's this nice like all black. Ooh, ooh. One of the reasons I wanted to get rid of that Respawn gaming chair is because it's red, and red's cool and all, but I really, really want my gaming setup to be color fluid. So, you know, like my PC's red, and I have a LED strip behind my desk that's also red. But if that was blue, it should match everything else on the desk too. As long as everything's black, white, or like brown or whatever the fuck, that's like a neutral color, it should match, right? But since my chair was red, I was forced to use red as the accent color on the RGB strips. I know that's such a small thing, but it's something that's been in the back of my mind because I really want to have a purple desk, and now I can turn it all purple. I can be the most purple boy in the world because my chair is black now. So I didn't know this was even going to be at Staples, honestly, but I just knew I needed to go to Staples to sit on a whole bunch of chairs. Also, Staples makes a Staple brand gaming chair that looks a lot like the Respawn gaming chair, but I sat in it, and it's a lot more comfortable than the Respawn gaming chair, but I didn't sit in it for very long. So if you do happen to want a gaming chair that looks like that Respawn chair, maybe go check that one out. I don't know. And by that chair, I mean the Respawn chair that I did the video on last time. But that's me sitting in this chair. Did you guys enjoy the video? Because this is the end of the video. I don't know if I could talk much more about a chair. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. I know this is different from the content I normally make. Hopefully at this point I would have already released the channel update video, so you guys kind of understand where I'm going with this. So I'm trying my hardest, putting out stuff. School starts in like 3 days for me right now, but you guys won't see this video until like a week after I'm done recording it. Anyways, just thanks for watching. Please hold on. I'm trying to get more fun content out that's not video games, so I'm trying to make it happen. So, but if you like this chair content, hit the subscribe button. I don't think I'm going to be buying any more chairs. Actually, that's a lie. There's one more chair I got to buy, but it's not an office chair. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. I promise I'm working on a million projects in the background. They just all take so much money, and I have $0. So, with that being said, thank you for watching. I've been Nevan. Hopefully you've been having fun. Bye-bye.